Um, Good everyone. This is Dr. Agokado. Ago. The man you know very well. I'm going to Libya. Please, in case you have never subscribed, please don't hesitate. Don't wait more. Go to Dr. Agokado Aba TV. Go there and subscribe and like, share, so that whenever I have something new, you'll be one of the people that will know when Dr. Agokado have something new. Dr. Agokado is for you. Dr. Agokado is for you. He's here for you to make sure that he give you the best that you can get. That's one secret I want to show you now. Just a short video. This is a pineapple. This is pineapple. Everybody knows what it's called pineapple. Ananas, pineapple. There's a secret about this thing. You can see the leaf, you can see the body. This is the body. This body is a natural immune system booster. It do a lot of things in the system. When you mix this one with lime and ginger and garlic, boil them with normal green tea, you will see a different type of ananas, pineapple. But this one, the secret I want to reveal to you, when you have injury, any type of injury in your body, in the body system, all you have to do, no need for you to go and be looking for Google share all those things, because Google share all those things sometimes when the injury heals, it normally has a black spot, and that black spot can no longer go. The black spot always remain. But with this one, this very ananas heals wound, any type of wound. It heals it, and naturally it will not come back again. When you heal it, it's gone. That's why pineapple is very, 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 very important for us. It do so many things. There are so many benefits you get from banana, from ananas, which is a pineapple. So when you have any cut in your body system, what you have to do just to take the water, take the pineapple water, slice one, take the pineapple water, rub it in the injury, rub it, leave it for 2 or 3 days. You'll find out that injury will automatically dry. When it went dry, it's gonna heal. And when it heals, your skin will come out in the same color, normal color. It's not gonna change color. You don't change your color system. Because there are some things that you rub in your body. When the injury heals, automatically your body system will no longer be the same. That means have a spot, either dark or fair or whatever. They have different things. But this ananas, pineapple has natural ingredients that contains a lot of immune system booster. This thing, you can use it in different ways. And that's what they call a tree of life. That tree of life, you can be able to combine them. They call it ogirisi. Ogirisi leaf with this thing, we can combine them together. Anybody that have any sore in the body, that ogirisi leaf with this one alone can do that work alone for you. You don't need anything. The water is what you need to drink, and when you get the water drink, you are satisfied. You're okay for the day. And this is what I want to share with you. Have this and make sure that anybody in your home live fine. At the time you have a good health, because that is the most important thing in your life. That's why I want to share the secret with you. And I've shown different benefit of ananas, pineapple, in other of my videos. So you can go back to Dr. Agokado Aba TV. Go and watch my videos there. I've thought about pineapple, the benefit of pineapple. There are so many things, so many benefits you get from pineapple. So when you go there, you can be able to get enough. But this is just a secret, little secret I want to share with you. So if you know that you have never subscribed, please go and subscribe to Dr. Agokado Aba TV. Ago. If you see me, you like me. And one of you, remain blessed. Go and subscribe. If you have any comments, go to the comment section, like and follow this one. Make sure that you share my video all over the world. There's a lot of things to benefit when you're following Dr. Agokado. Remain blessed and thank you.